this is Rosie.
Yep. I think I am sick. I got hiccups.
Oh my goodness, I will tell my dad about this. Dad, come here. What is you? Look like did something. My sister Rosie is sick because she has hiccups. Oh Jesus, I gave the medicine for hiccups. Don't worry Rosie, you'll be okay. Here's your pill and bottle of water.
Okay, thanks, Daddy. There. I swallowed the pill and drinking water.
So Rosie, stay in your bed and sleep. We hope you get feel better.
Thanks, Daddy.